Okay guys, here's my Boston Fern. This guy has been outside all summer. I had some in the shade and some in the sun because I bought a big huge Boston Fern at the beginning of summer, and I divided the whole thing up. I ended up with like 7 plants. The ones that got the sun, because I always thought the Boston Fern would hate the sun because I heard fern. Well, I was so wrong. The ones that were in the sun got new growth and did better. The ones that were in the shade kind of maintained. But I live in upstate New York, and you're going to have to move your plants around and find out where they're happy, because I won't be so presumptuous as to say put it here or there, because I found with plants, just like your kids, they all have a different direction. But this guy here could have done a lot better if he was in the front, but I ended up with tons of ferns. I gave one away. I'm giving a few of them away, actually. And I'm going to bring the rest inside, and hopefully they'll make it through the winter. You can let me know how your ferns have done over the winter. I have never grown a fern, this like a Boston fern, in the house over the winter, but I would suspect it would be just like the little ones. But this is the first year I really got back into plants. I think I started getting back into plants in January, and I used to be into plants years and years, like before I was retired. So I've got high hopes, but the Boston fern is so beautiful, and I was really pleased when I started seeing how quickly they started to grow and make more. So I have high hopes for these, and I'm just going to find a nice spot in the house where they're going to look good. If not, if they get too big, I'm going to have to bring some to some friends. But right now I've got lots of space for plants. I'm redecorating, and I've kind of wanted this to be kind of like cozy with plants and stuff. So just what I wanted to do. But anyway, look how cool. It's just a beautiful plant. But like I said, the Boston Fern was big, and I divided it into like 7. And so I have a few, like maybe 4 I'm going to bring in the house. And so we'll see how many survive over the winter or don't get given away. So, okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. And hey, let me know your stories about Boston Fern. We'll see you in the next video. God bless.